Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer product catalog images from Canva to Shopify. Full guide step by step clearly. Open Canva in your web browser. Log into your Canva account. Locate the product catalog design you want to transfer. Click on the design to open it. Ensure all images in the catalog are ready for download. Select each image by clicking on it. Download the images individually by clicking the Download button. Choose the appropriate file format, preferably PNG or JPEG. Click on Download to save the images to your computer. Open your Shopify admin dashboard in a new tab. Navigate to the Products section in your Shopify account. Click on All Products to view your inventory. Select the product you want to add images to. Scroll down to the Images section of the product page. Click on the Add Images button. Upload the images you downloaded from Canva. Ensure the images are positioned correctly in your product listing. Fill in any additional product details needed for your catalog. Save the changes to your product listing. Repeat these steps for any other products needing catalog images. Once completed, review your product listings to ensure everything appears correctly. Your product catalog images are now transferred from Canva to Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.